Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Wonderful Relationship. Today, we're diving into a fascinating topic: how she wants you to get closer. Whether you're in a budding relationship or a long-term one, understanding how to build a strong connection is crucial. But before we get started, make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our insightful content. Let's get right into it. 1. Show genuine interest. Showing genuine interest is all about actively listening and asking questions to understand her better. When you invest time and attention in learning about her life, her passions, and her experiences, it sends a powerful message that you value her as an individual. This is the foundation of building a strong connection because it shows that you care about what matters to her. Listening attentively, rather than just waiting for your turn to speak, is a small but impactful gesture. It conveys your commitment to building a deeper, more meaningful connection based on understanding and empathy. 2. Share vulnerabilities. Vulnerability can be scary, but it's one of the most effective ways to build a strong connection. When you open up and share your fears, insecurities, and personal stories, it creates an environment of trust and emotional intimacy. It's like saying, "I trust you with my true self." This level of transparency fosters a deep bond that's built on authenticity and honesty. By revealing your vulnerabilities, you allow her to see the real you, and it often encourages her to open up in return. In a world where many people wear masks, being authentic and vulnerable is a refreshing and powerful way to connect. 3. Create shared experiences. Creating shared experiences is a key ingredient for building a strong connection. These experiences become part of your unique story as a couple and hold sentimental value. Whether it's a special trip, a cooking class, or even just a cozy movie night, shared moments foster a sense of togetherness. They provide a bank of beautiful memories that you can both cherish. When you take the time to create these experiences, it's like investing in the history of your relationship. 4. Give compliments. Compliments may seem like a small gesture, but they hold incredible power when it comes to building a connection. When you genuinely appreciate her qualities and take a moment to express it, it boosts her self-esteem and reinforces your attraction to her. Compliments are like verbal affirmations of your affection and admiration, making her feel valued and cherished. They go beyond the surface level and touch the core of her self-worth, creating a deeper bond of positivity and appreciation. 5. Make her laugh. Laughter is a universal language of connection. Sharing moments of humor, lightheartedness, and inside jokes brings joy to your relationship. It's like an unspoken understanding that transcends words. Laughing together creates a unique bond and memories that are both heartwarming and fun. Humor has the incredible ability to ease tension, foster a sense of camaraderie, and remind you both why you love being around each other. In the grand scheme of things, laughter is a small gesture that has a big impact on your connection. 6. Respect her independence. Respecting her independence is a vital aspect of a healthy connection. It means acknowledging and supporting her individuality and personal space. It's a way of saying, "I respect who you are, and I trust you to have your own life." Striking the right balance between togetherness and independence is key. This balance allows your relationship to thrive without feeling suffocated. Giving her the space she needs is a gesture of love and understanding. 7. Surprise her. Surprises are like little doses of excitement that keep the spark alive in your relationship. Whether it's a spontaneous date night, an unexpected gift, or a heartfelt gesture, these surprises remind her that you're thinking of her. They add a touch of romance and thoughtfulness to your connection, creating memorable moments that she'll cherish. The element of surprise brings a sense of adventure and spontaneity to your relationship, keeping it exciting and vibrant. 8. Remember important dates. Remembering important dates, like birthdays and anniversaries, may seem like a simple task, but it carries great significance. By acknowledging these special occasions, you show thoughtfulness and consideration. It's a way of saying, "Your milestones are important to me, and I want to celebrate them with you." These moments are opportunities to create lasting memories and solidify your connection. They allow you to celebrate the love you share and express your affection in meaningful ways. 9. Support her goals. Supporting her goals and aspirations is a fundamental part of nurturing a strong connection. It demonstrates that you're not only a romantic partner but also a source of encouragement and inspiration. By encouraging her dreams and offering help when needed, you show that you believe in her abilities and want to see her succeed. Being her cheerleader, her motivator, is an incredibly important role in your relationship. It reinforces her confidence and deepens your emotional connection. 10. Engage in active listening. Active listening is more than just hearing words, it's about truly comprehending and connecting with what she's saying. It involves not just listening with your ears, but also with your heart. This demonstrates empathy and care for her thoughts, emotions, and experiences. When you actively listen, you create a space where she feels heard and valued, which is an essential element of building a deeper connection. It's like telling her, "I'm here, and I'm fully present with you." Active listening is a powerful tool in creating mutual understanding and building a strong emotional bond. 11. Be emotionally available. Being emotionally available is about being there for her. Emotionally and mentally, in both good and tough times. It means sharing your feelings, supporting her during challenges, and being a source of comfort. This level of emotional connection is built on shared experiences and emotions. By offering emotional support, you become a pillar of strength for her. It's like saying, "Your emotions matter, and I'm here to support and understand you." Emotional availability is a crucial aspect of creating a deep and meaningful connection. 12. Cook together. Cooking together is a delightful and intimate activity that fosters a sense of togetherness. It allows you to bond over a shared project, create something delicious, and enjoy the results of your efforts. Cooking together can be a fun adventure, filled with laughter, teamwork, and even a little healthy competition. It's like a microcosm of your relationship, where you learn to communicate, make decisions, and share in the joy of your creation. It's an enjoyable way to connect on a deeper level, creating lasting memories and a sense of unity in the process. 13. Send thoughtful messages. Sending thoughtful messages or texts throughout the day is a charming way to stay connected, even when you're apart. It's a way of saying, "You're on my mind, and I want to brighten your day." Thoughtful messages can be simple, like a sweet "good morning" text or a quick "thinking of you" note. These little gestures let her know that she's always present in your thoughts and that you care deeply about her. It's a small but meaningful way to maintain a strong emotional connection, no matter where you are. 14. Plan surprise dates. Planning surprise dates or outings is a fantastic way to add spontaneity and excitement to your relationship. Unplanned moments create lasting memories and add a sense of adventure to your connection. Surprise dates show that you're willing to put in the effort to make her feel special. It's like saying, "I want to keep our relationship fresh and exciting." These moments of surprise and adventure are essential for keeping the spark alive, ensuring that your connection remains full of excitement and joy. 15. Show affection. Physical affection, such as hugs, kisses, and cuddling, is a nonverbal form of expressing your love. These gestures convey feelings of warmth, security, and connection. Physical touch is a powerful way of communicating your emotions without words. It's like a silent language that speaks volumes. Whether it's a reassuring hug after a long day or a tender kiss, these gestures help strengthen the emotional bond you share. Physical affection reminds you both of the love and closeness you have as a couple. 16. Share your goals. Just as you support her goals, sharing your aspirations and dreams allows her to be a part of your journey. It's a way of saying, "I want you to share in my successes and challenges." By letting her in on your goals and ambitions, you create a sense of unity and partnership. She becomes a source of encouragement and motivation in your life, and it strengthens the emotional connection you share. Sharing your dreams fosters a sense of teamwork and mutual support that adds depth to your relationship. 17. Surprise her with small gestures, small, unexpected gestures, such as leaving a sweet note or surprising her with her favorite snack, show your thoughtfulness and love. These small surprises are like love notes that brighten her day and remind her that you're thinking of her. Thoughtful, unexpected gestures can be incredibly powerful in making her feel appreciated and cherished. They are tangible expressions of your love and affection, which contribute to building a stronger emotional connection. 18. Show appreciation. Taking a moment to express your appreciation for the things she does in your life is essential. It's a way of saying, "I notice and value your efforts." By acknowledging the small and big things she does, you convey respect and gratitude. Appreciating her contributions reinforces her sense of self-worth and makes her feel valued in the relationship. It's a simple yet powerful way to build a deeper connection based on mutual respect and acknowledgement. 19. Plan a weekend getaway. Planning a weekend getaway or a short trip is a thrilling way to create lasting memories and a deeper connection. Exploring new places together is an adventure that strengthens your bond. It's like embarking on a journey of discovery as a couple. Weekend getaways offer opportunities for quality time, relaxation, and shared experiences that can be incredibly bonding. Traveling together allows you to create unique memories that are exclusively yours, making your connection more special and exciting. 20. Be patient and understanding. Patience and understanding are at the core of building a strong emotional connection. Recognize that every person is unique, with their quirks and needs. Being patient with her idiosyncrasies and understanding her emotions creates a space where she feels valued and accepted. It's like saying, "I appreciate you for who you are, and I'm willing to work through any challenges together." These qualities build trust and a deep connection based on mutual understanding and acceptance. In conclusion, building a strong connection with the woman you care about is all about creating an environment of trust, authenticity, and appreciation. It's the combination of these thoughtful gestures and genuine emotional connection that will bring you closer and deepen your bond. Remember, every relationship is unique, so adapt these tips to suit your dynamic. And let your connection be a source of love, laughter, and lasting happiness. Take care, everyone, and may your connections be filled with love, laughter, and lasting happiness.